In this video, I will show you how to add events calendar on Wix. First, add in section to accommodate your events calendar. Then on the left panel, click on Add Elements. Then go to Events. Now just add it to your site. Once added, go again to the left panel and click Add Elements. Go to Events and choose Calendar. Here, just click on Events Calendar, then agree and add. Here, your events calendar will now appear to your website. You can drag it and resize it to your liking. If you click on Settings, you will be able to manage the calendar. Here you can add events or manage existing ones. You can also go to Design and customize your calendar like colors and such. But that's just basically it. Your events calendar is now added to your Wix. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.